To zoom in or zoom out, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's try these steps. To zoom in, I first select cell A1. Then I hold down the Control key while moving the wheel of the mouse forward. As you can see, the window contents are now larger. Now I will zoom out. Since cell 1 is already selected, I just hold down the Control key while moving the wheel of the mouse backward. As you can see, the window contents are now smaller. By following these steps, you can zoom in or zoom out in a sheet of any Excel version, as well as any document in Word or PowerPoint.